So to get the torque damper on, all you need to do is remove the coolant thingy, reservoir, and loosen the reservoir for a power steering fluid. Take it over bracket. There's a bracket here that goes there, as you see. It's on 4 bolts, and that is replaced with this part that goes there, this way, as far as I know. Let's get it on. Okay, let me show you how I got it installed. Basically, it's like here there is a ground cable. That's the ground cable, guys, so you can work with it, because one goes here, but I've got my grounding kit as well, so that don't matter much for me. But the grounding cables there with the washer, and there's another washer, and then there's a thingy springy washer, and then we got the replaced bracket there, as you see. That's the corroded ground cable I mentioned that goes around there, and so it's here. I'm gonna try to get the best footage I can if it goes for how it bolts in. There we go. A bit tight. That's why I'm doing it before I put the reservoir with the coolant in. But there it is. Then you got the adjustments here. There we go. Now that's better view. Okay, guys, I've got the torque damper installed, as you see. Use this thing to create a bracket here from these bolts. Then you got a bolt going through here with a spring washer and normal washer, the damper, another washer, and then there's the ground cable, the stock ground cable. That I recommend removing. It's the one that goes here. It's on 2 bolts, so you can take this out and you have a lot of space to work with the installation. And then there's the bracket that you replace standard one with, and the dampers here. Clearances are great, as you see. Nothing's touching anything. So yeah, I'm gonna add before and after to this video somewhere. As you can see, it's like factory.